What's up, YouTube? Time to do a quick unboxing. Bet you guys want to know what's in here. Well, I'll show you. But I'll give you a hint. It's a substitute for all the problems that you guys may be having with the mouse toggle. So here's your substitute for a mouse toggle. It's called the Wii chip. It's an air mouse. Once you get one of these, all your problems with a mouse toggle in conjunction with your Fire Stick will go away. But there's one more thing that you need to go along with this A chip or the Wii chip air mouse. You're going to need this cable adapter. I'm going to leave links in the description so you can get the right cable adapter. But once you hook these two up to your television, you definitely won't have any problems maneuvering through different programs, different movie and TV apps that the mouse toggle previously gave you. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it works. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, this mouse toggle is more than just the air mouse. It's a wireless keyboard, it's an air mouse, and it's an IR remote. This is the front of the air mouse. And then here's the back of it. As you can see, this is a full keyboard. So just say you're on Google and you wanted to type in something, or just say you're in Downloader and you wanted to type in a URL address, this makes it that much easier. So this is the front of it. Pretty nice. It has a smooth texture to it. They have one with a more grainy texture. That's the previous model, but I like this one. This is a cool one. So this is going to eliminate our problems that we've been having with the mouse toggle. The air mouse, $20. You can pick it up on Amazon. Like I said earlier, I'll leave a link in the description. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. The cable here is around 7 to 8 bucks. Okay, here's a quick illustration of how everything should be hooked up to your Fire Stick when you add your Wii chip or your air mouse to the Fire Stick. First thing first, this is your Fire Stick. This is a dongle for the Fire Stick. You necessarily don't need it. You can just use the Fire Stick and plug it directly to the HDMI in the back of your TV. But I find the dongle to be better because it allows the Fire Stick to be more flexible. So here's your Fire Stick. This is your dongle, HDMI to the back of your TV, HDMI. This is the OTB cable right here. Right here we have the Wii chip receiver. You're going to plug that into this part of the OTB cable. Then this slim part right here, or the slim connection, is going to go to the side of your Fire Stick. And this last but not least connection is going to go to the power supply of your Fire Stick. So you have one connection at the power supply for your Fire Stick. You have one connection going directly into your Fire Stick. You have one connection going to the OTB cable or the Wii chip receiver. And this is your dongle. You can either use the Fire Stick with or without the dongle. Okay guys, as you can see, the air mouse is all connected. The blue light indicates that it's power, so let's see how it performs. Actually, this thing is 10 times faster than an Amazon Fire Stick remote. As you can see how fast it is. If you want to operate your mouse, or if you want to enable the mouse over to the, see if you can see there, over there, there's a mouse cursor. You just click on the mouse cursor and it becomes a mouse. So let's go to Downloader. As I move my hand, there's your mouse cursor right there. That what makes it an air mouse. It's pretty accurate too. There's the cursor. As I move my air mouse, as you can see, it's pretty accurate. So let's type in something. So remember to type, you have a keyboard on the back of the mouse which is also pretty neat. I'm just going to type in Google and see what happens. It's responding really good. Press enter. Oops, too many E's. Let's go back one. I'm just going to press go with the mouse toggle. Then I'm going to select go again. And as you can see, this is the Google web page. So once again, guys, this is the Air Mouse by WeChip. If you're having problems with your mouse toggle, I seriously recommend that you spend the $20 and get you an Air Mouse. I'll leave a link in the description. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.